Hello YouTube! Welcome to MaseroGarage. I'm Emily.
And I'm Sergio.
And today we're going to show you how to change the spark plugs in our 2013 Hyundai Accent GLS. So stick around.
To replace your spark plugs, you will need 4 brand new spark plugs. We got this off Rock Auto. You will need a spark plug gap tool. You will need a flathead screwdriver to press on the tabs to remove the electrical connections. I will be using a magnetic stick to pick up the spark plugs. And then all you will need will be a ratchet, some extensions, a 5/8 deep socket, and a 10mm socket. Start by removing the engine cover. Now we're going to use our flathead screwdriver to press on the plastic tabs and remove the electrical connections to the coils. Use the 10mm socket to remove the bolts that hold down the coils, and don't forget to keep track of all the bolts you remove. Now that all the bolts and electrical connections are removed, your coils are ready to come out. Just pull right up and they will come out. This will work for your first, second and third coil. There is an electrical connection, however, on top of the fourth coil that will need to be removed in order to come out. Use your flathead screwdriver to remove this connection and you will be ready to take the last one out. Now we're gonna use our ratchet with our 5/8 deep socket to remove the spark plug. Repeat this for all the spark plugs. I'm helping myself with a magnetic stick to get the spark plug out of the cylinder. Before installing the new spark plugs, it's always a very good idea to make sure that they are the exact same size as the ones you just removed. Next, check your manufacturer's recommended spark plug gap and use your spark plug gap tool to adjust them as needed.
Now that your spark plug gap is correct, you can install the new spark plugs. Use your 5/8 deep socket and extension to drop the spark plug into the cylinder head. Make sure they are threading correctly before applying any force. We don't recommend using any electrical tools. Make sure to do it by hand so they don't get too tight. Repeat the same process for all 4 new spark plugs. Now it's time to reinstall the coils. Make sure you install them completely straight and press down firmly from above. Pay close attention that the bolt holes align so that the bolts can be easily installed later. helped onto those 4 bolts because we're going to need to reinstall them again now. Use your 10mm socket with extension and ratchet to reinstall all 4 bolts. Make sure to hear this click when reinstalling your electrical connections. And don't forget this little guy. And finally, it's time to replace the engine cover. Align the 4 tabs on the underside of the engine cover with the 4 tabs that are on the engine. And voila, we are done.
Done! I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys learned something new today.
For more how-to videos and to join us on our journey of restoring a 1977 Chevy Nova, make sure to subscribe to our channel, MaseroGarage.
See you soon.